What's up, everybody? This is Tony. I got a couple things I'm going to do today. We're going to get this GoPro out of the waterproof case into the standard case so that you can hear me when I'm talking. We're going to take a trip around the yard. We're going to look at some of the weeds and prepare a plan for this Sunday. Lots of exciting things. I'm busy as all get out, but we're going to get some stuff thrown down this weekend. Alright, so I got this GoPro standard housing off of Amazon. I hate these plastic things. They're such a pain in the ass. Voila, it is out of its case. I think this is a waterproof one. It does appear to be a waterproof one. It's got the seal around it. Well, that's a bummer. But it came with this one. So we're going to change this out. See what it takes. Let's put this thing together. Alright guys, little trick to pulling off this back door. You don't have to remove the little itty bitty pin. See that little bitty pin right there? You don't have to remove it. It just snaps off. It just snaps off. It's freaking crazy. So, peel the film off of this back door. Take this. Snap it in, and voila, the case is ready. So now, just got to take the old GoPro out of the housing somehow. Not sure how I'm going to do it. I might have to call a lifeline on this, try to figure this out. I'm a dumbass. Check this out. GoPro's in there. Pop that off. Grab the other one. Ooh, that's a touch back door. Alright, so there, pops out. Pops in. Wow, that took way too much effort. So, now that I got the back door on there, hopefully you'll be able to hear me better when I'm walking around the lawn in it. So, now that that kicked my ass, I will go ahead and take you around the lawn. What's up, everybody? I am back. I'm going to go ahead and do a little bit of a lawn walk with you. It is Thursday night. We have gotten 2 inches of rain over the past couple of days. As you can see, I'm a little overgrown, but look at that. That is beautiful Kentucky bluegrass right there. It is great. I do have some problems. I have a lot of issues actually that I've got to address. The hen bit never fully grew up. It is still nice and short. So the pre-emergent did do its job, but I have annual bluegrass out the yin yang. This is all POA annual. or Poa trivalis. Same here. Over here it is excitingly bad. As you can see, it is everywhere. So what you usually do with this stuff is you mow it out, wait for the summer heat to take over, and it will kill it. This is Poa trivalis, and this is my little patch of heaven right here. The Kentucky bluegrass is fully taken in. I am grown. It's beautiful. We're gonna go. We still have our thin spots, but that's all gonna grow in eventually. It's gonna get the right height. So this weekend I plan on putting some Milorganite down, some fertilizer, get things growing a little bit more. Hopefully get my mow on if it doesn't rain anything. We got one cabbage plant and some sunflowers growing in our bin over there. That's nice. And then Carrie's weeds. She needs to pick her weeds pretty bad. And then I don't know what all of this is weeds and what all of this is the natural flowers that we put in. But as you can see, some of them are starting to get a little taller. And this might be all native flowers at the end of, probably here in another month, we should start seeing some blooms. The backyard is quite the event. Alright guys, I don't want to walk too much. It is very, very wet since we had 2 inches of rain, but you can see I have that moss look going where it is growing. You can see the yellow weeds. That's where the pre-emergent starter fertilizer that we use is actually working. I'm going to try and sneak over here without getting too muddy. Yeah, you can see it's starting all over the place. It's very, very thin. Very thin. I'm hoping a lot of this just takes off and starts growing. I'm going to have to get back here with the lawnmower here in the next couple of days and just mow over some shit and weed eat pretty hard. That back corner over there, I'm not sure. Fuck it, we'll just go. Oh, it is so mush. As you can see, there's water standing over there. I'm gonna have to add some drainage pond or some drainage bins over there. I think if we add some dirt back there and there. Oh, look, a bunny. We should be fine over here. But it's coming in slowly but surely. Seeding in the springtime is not your best bet, but you've got to do what you got to do. So I really like the advantages of fall, where it's nice and less rain. You control the water more, warm days, cool nights, and it seems to be more consistent. Alright, we'll take a look at the south lawn in the front. Again, I've got a little patch of heaven right here. That's all Kentucky bluegrass that's taken in there. You can see some of the neighbor's fescue. All up and down, we don't really have too many weeds. Some of the standard fescue, but again, it's not filling in nearly as well as it should. This is all from last year when I planted. So whenever you use seed, it takes a good year, 2 years in order to get things fully going. We got a little bit of these yellow daisy flowers. I'm not sure what these are called, but they aren't pretty, not in a lawn. So a lot of drainage issues. I'm really hoping that the Kentucky bluegrass will just take off, start shooting stolons across and really start shooting up. Should be good. We got a little bit of the Poa annual over there. You can see that light green color. compared to the dark green. And one little dandelion. Oh, there's several dandelions over there. I'm gonna have to take care of that. So that's our lawn walk for this week. Like I said, this weekend I plan on putting down some Milorganite, getting some fertilizer down. I'm also going to be putting some weed control down in the north lawn. Some season-long weed control for lawns, kills and prevents weeds for up to 6 months. We'll get that done, and then we'll go from there. We're only about 3 weeks out since we planted the backyard. Normal germination time for Kentucky bluegrass is 14 to 28 days, so it's ahead of schedule. It's just going to take a while. We're about a month out on the south lawn, so like I said, I don't think I put enough seed down. I don't think I covered it very well. Plus, with all the drainage issues, a lot of it wiped out, so we'll just have to wait and see. Another couple weeks I'll be able to put chemicals down to hopefully prevent the crabgrass from coming in on that side. Otherwise it'll be me and quinclorac all summer long. But that's it for this lawn walk. Hope you enjoyed my video. Got any questions, comments, put them down in the comment section below, and we will see you next time.